Honda Genuine Engine Oil. What is engine oil? Engine oil is the combination of base oil and additives. It lubricates inner component of engine. It also controls oil viscosity and lubricity. Honda Genuine Engine Oil helps in reducing friction, helps in sealing, cooling, prevent wear, prevent corrosion, prevent rust, as well as cleaning of engine. Why engine oil replacement is necessary? Engine oil replacement is necessary because it helps in cleaning impurities, as oil gets impurities by dust, moisture, wear particles, etc. It also prevents engine from spoiling, as oil is oxidized through contact with oxygen in air, which results to form sludge and acidic substance during usage. With regular usage, engine oil loses its property. So to maintain same level of engine performance, replacement of oil is necessary at regular interval. Now we learn Honda Genuine Engine Oil and their types. Honda 4-stroke engine oil are premium quality engine oils, tested by Honda R&D. They conform to international specification of JSO. There are 3 types of oil for Honda engine: 10W30MA, 10W30MB, specially designed for automatic transmission engine, fully synthetic SAE 10W30MA. Now let's see the benefits of Honda Genuine Engine Oil. Engine durability, environment friendly, fuel efficiency, better lubricity, high detergency. Now let's see when to replace engine oil as per maintenance schedule. Please refer your maintenance schedule as per your vehicle for regular maintenance and replacement of oil. Replacement of oil should be done by Honda trained technician. Let's summarize what we have learned till now. What is engine oil? Why engine oil replacement is necessary? Honda Genuine Engine Oil and their types. Benefits of Honda Genuine Engine Oil and regular maintenance.